Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2 video, so I'm going to explain you DB, DCOUNT, DCOUNTA, DEC2BIN, DHEX. DB formula. This function calculate depression based upon a fixed percentage. Formula details: DB, purchase price, salvage value, life period to calculate first year month. Formatting required or not? No formatting is required. This formula works in every single version of Excel, and yes, complete details available in description box as well, so you just need to copy and paste, but for that please subscribe this channel. So next formula is DCOUNT. This function examines a list of information and counts the value in a specified column. It can only count value, the text item, and blank cells are ignored. Formula details: DCOUNT, DatabaseRange, FieldName, and then CriteriaRange. And again, no special formatting is needed. This formula also works in every single version of Excel. I'm pretty much sure in whole YouTube nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula, guys. And if you want to know complete details, please subscribe this channel. We have a separate video for every single Excel formula with complete number of example. So DCOUNTA, this function examines a list of information and counts the non-blank cells in a specified column. It counts value and text item, but blank cells are ignored. Please note it, blank cells are ignored. So DCOUNTA, DatabaseRange, FieldName, CriteriaRange. Formatting required or not? No special formatting required. This formulas also work in every single version of Excel. And I'm telling you again, if you want to know about more every single formula, please subscribe this channel. We have a separate video for every single formula in which we already explained formula with near about 20 or 25 example. With 25 example formula meaning a DEC2BIN. This is very unique. This function converts a decimal number to its binary equivalent. It can only cope up with decimal ranging minus 512 to 511. This result can be padded with leading zeros. All through this is ignored for negative. This is very unique formula. Formula details: DEC2BIN, decimal number, and then plus 2 paid. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is required. And if you want to check DEC2BIN with example, subscribe this channel. We have a separate video as well. DEC2HEX. This function converts a decimal number to its hexadecimal equivalent. It can only cope with decimal ranging from minus 549, 755, 813, 888. The result can be padded with leading 0. All through this is ignored for negative. Formula details: very unique formula. So DEC2HEX, decimal number, places to part. The places to part is optional. Note it down, places to part is optional. Formatting required or not? No special formatting required. This is very unique formula, but I'm pretty much sure at least you'll get near about only 1 or 2 videos in YouTube regarding this DEC2HEX formula. But we have a separate video in which we already explained with near about with help of 25 examples. So delta, very unique, very important formula. This function compares two value and text whether they are exactly the same. The numbers, if the numbers are the same, the result will be 1, otherwise the result is 0. If it only works with numbers, text value, procedure, a result will give you error message. The formatting of the number is not significant, so number which appears around it due to removal of decimal places will still match correctly with a non-rounded value. Formula details: delta, you just need to first number then second number. And is there formatting required? No. And we have a separate video in which we already explained delta with using I think near about 30 or 35 examples. So please subscribe this channel, and we have a separate videos for every single formula we just explained you in this video. And we have another video, part 3, in which you will get information about DJET, DMAX, DMIN, dollar, and DSUM. So again, requesting you to please subscribe this channel, because we are the one only provide you details regarding Excel formula only, nothing else. So we have near about 300 to 400 videos, and we are uploading going to upload 100 more videos in coming month. So again, thank you so much. Have a great future, and practice to make a man perfect. So at least try this formula in your Excel worksheet in your laptop. Have a great day. Have a great future ahead. Thanks a lot.